Hello friends, welcome to Info Repository. Today we are going to see about a fantastic video. What we are going to see today will make you very surprised. It will amaze you innumerable times that what we have thought for so long it's wrong. In this video we are going to see about a bird that many of you have not seen. So watch this video to the last without anyone skipping. If any of you have not subscribed to our channel before going to the video, do not forget to subscribe. Okay, let's go to the video. What would we think if we are asked what is the fastest creature in the world? Right, away we think of it is a cheetah. Yes, the cheetah could run at a speed of 80 km per hour. But what a faster creature than that, we say eagle, don't we? The eagle is capable of traveling at a speed of 160 km. But in that eagle species, a type of eagle called the golden eagle can travel at a speed of 240 km. You will ask if it is equal to the creation of man no matter what? For example, a sports car called a lamborghini can go up to 340 km per hour. But it must be said that the Lord has given nature a power beyond that. Yes, that is the peregrine falcon. It can go over 390 km per hour. This also belongs to the eagle species. There are many differences between this bird and the eagle. There are many species in the falcons. Barbary falcon, common kestrel, gyr falcon and peregrine falcon. There are many similar types, but this so-called peregrine falcon is the fastest moving bird. The peregrine falcon tops the list of the fastest moving creatures in the world. Its nostrils are specially designed by the Lord to prevent its lungs from exploding in high winds when it is being torn apart. You may be wondering why this is so fast. This is because it uses this speed to move from continent to continent and to accurately capture its own prey. If this is how he catches his prey, it looks at its prey 2 km ahead. It then uses its own speed to catch the prey precisely. It then takes off both of its eyes. Because the bird should not escape even if it slips out of its grasp. The Lord has given this bird the ability to hunt widely and fly fast. So we have a lot of information about this bird in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to know many interesting information like this. See you next time with a fantastic video.